Customers are really looking for something that they can rely on. It's dependable, it's not going to break down, or if it does break down, they want to make sure that the product's going to be, if it's got to be replaced, if it's got to be work done in warranty, it's got to be done in a timely manner. When you deal with the quality products and you're dealing with quality companies, it's not hard to get that service, and that's why I deal with the people I deal with, and that's why my customers deal with me. So it's more about the quality of product, longevity, and confidence, knowing that the product's going to be there for a long time. With a better quality product, we get better power production, and that power production it's going to go for a long time. So if we're talking about a 25-year manufacturer's warranty, then they're not going to put a 25-year warranty on a product that's only going to last for 6, 7, 8, 10 years. So again, the value for money is that it's that the product is going to last a long time. We design the system based around the customer's use, or what power they're consuming. We'll look at what components are in the house that are pulling power, so the major power components, try to educate them on how to best use the power when it's being generated. Things like washing machines, dishwashers. People generally put the washing machine on first thing in the morning, dishwashers go on last thing at night. So we try and educate the customer on how to best use the solar with those appliances to best utilise the power that they're producing. If you can buy the cheap stuff, you can buy the cheap stuff twice. You can buy the good stuff once and you're still paying the same amount of money. So yeah, do it once and do it well.